If you're experiencing connection errors while playing Call of Duty, follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to connect to other online services. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router or switching to a wired connection. Step 2. Restart your gaming console/PC. Sometimes simply restarting the game or your gaming device can resolve connection issues. Close the game completely, restart your console or PC, and then relaunch the game to see if the problem persists. Step 3. Update your game and system. Make sure that both your game and your gaming system are updated to the latest version. Check for any available updates and install them, as these can often fix bugs and improve connectivity. Step 4. Adjust network settings. Access your network settings and consider enabling quality of service QoS if your router supports it. This prioritizes gaming traffic and can help reduce lag and connection errors. Additionally, check if your NAT type is set to open. If not, you may need to adjust your router settings. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue continues after trying the above steps, reach out to the game's customer support. They can provide specific guidance based on your situation and help you troubleshoot further. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce or eliminate connection errors in Call of Duty. Good luck and enjoy your gaming experience.